Welcome to Amar Rashid online math class. This is another video for sequence and series AP and GP. These are the fifth and the sixth problems we have on the board. The first one here says, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, if the ninth term of an AP is 0, prove that the 29th term is double its 19th term. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, prove that the 29th term is double its 19th term. All right. If the ninth term of an AP is 0, prove that the 29th term is double its 19th term. All right. So the ninth term is 0. So the ninth term is 0. Let us establish this one. T subscript n is equal to a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. This is the general term of an AP. This is the nth term of an AP. Okay. So if you want to find the 18th term, just remove n and say 18. That the 18th term, nth term. So we say a plus n. What is n now? N is already 18 minus 1d. So this is a plus 17d. So let us get this one once and for all. If you are to discuss 18th term, just say 18 minus 1 is 17. Then you say a plus 17d. If you have to find the 62nd term, just say 62 minus 1, 61. So a plus 61d. So if the ninth term is 0, how do we write the ninth term? We say a plus 9 minus 1 is 8. So a plus 8d, which is equal to 0. But what do we want to prove? We want to prove that the 29th term is double its 19th term. The 29th term is doubled its 19th term. So which of the two is greater in value? 29 or the 19th? The 29th term is double its 19th. So the 29th term is greater because it doubles what? The 19th term. Just like when we say 8, 4. We can say 8 doubles 4 because 2 times 4 will give you 8. So we want to show that 2 times the 19th term will give us 29th term. Now we can say 12 and 6. So this is just an example of the same. The 12 what? Doubles the 6. 12 doubles the 6. So if we want to show that the 29th term is double its 19th term, so we want to show that the 29th term is 2 times the 19th term. This is what we want to prove. The only way we can prove that 8 doubles 4 is when we say, well, 8 is equal to 2 times 4, and this definitely is 8. The only way we can accept that 12 doubles 6 is when we say 12 is equal to 2 times 6. So the only way we can accept that the 29th term is double its 19th term is when we say the 29th term is equal to 2 times the 19th term. So if we work this one, we must have equal sides. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side simply because they are equal. 2 sides can only be equal if they have equal values. So now we can see T subscript 29, 2 times T subscript what? 19. So if the end of everything we are able to display equal sides, then we prove that this is equal to this. All right. But this one that is given here, okay, let us hang on. The 29th term. So we say a plus 29 minus 1, 28. So we say 28d. Mind you, all this one is working for AP. The nth term, this one, is only meant for the arithmetic progression. All right, so this is equal to 2 times the 19th term is A plus 19 minus 1, 18D. Okay, so we say A plus 28D, which is 2 times 8 is 2 times A, 2A, 2 times 18, 36D. Okay, so what do we do now? We need equal sides. But this one can be expressed as A is equal to, we move this to the other side. So the sign becomes minus 8D. So wherever we see A, what do we write? Minus 8D. So for this A, we say minus 8D plus 28D. So 2 times, what is A? Minus 8D plus 36D. So what we are fighting for, we must have equal sides. Remember, we want to prove that the 29th term is double its 19th term of the same particular sequence. So minus 8D plus 28D is 20D. So plus times minus is minus. 2 times 8D, 16D plus 36D. So 20D is equal to minus 16D plus 36D. We have 20D. So we can see that the two sides are equal. We have 20D on the left hand side. We have what? 20D on the right hand side. So we've shown that actually the 29th term of a particular sequence is double its 19th term, owing to the fact that the 9th term of that AP is 0. All right, so we go to problem 6. The whole target here is to have equal sides. It is your responsibility. If you want, you can say I divide both sides by D. So you have 20 equals to 20. I divide both sides by 20. D equal to D. I divide both sides by 20D. 1 equals to 1. The most important thing is the two sides are equal. So here again, if the third term of an AP is 18, the third term of an AP is 18. And the seventh term is 30. The seventh term is 30. We don't need to bother write all the formula again. We already know that if the nth term is this, and you want to determine the 10th term, just replace 10 with what? Just replace n with 10. So we say A plus. For n is 10. So we say A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So the 10th term is A plus 90. Remember 10, 9. So what do we do? 10 minus 1 is 9. So A plus 90. That's all. So the third term is A plus 2D. Remember 3 minus 1 is 2, which is 18. The seventh term, A plus 6D. Remember 7 minus 1 is 6, which is 30. We can simply label this equation 1, this equation 2. So where are we now? Simple linear equations. But we are lucky that this is 1, this is 1. And the signs are the same, so we subtract. These two can go. 2D minus 6D minus 4D. 18 minus 30 minus 12. We need D. Divide both sides by minus 4. So minus 4 takes away minus 4, leaving D. Minus goes away with minus. 4 into 12 is 3. So the common difference is 3. So we also have the first term, A. So we can say from equation, any of the two, from equation 1. Equation 1 says a plus 2d is equal to 18. But d is already 3. So a plus 2 times d, which is 18. D is already what? 3. So a plus 2 times 3 is 6, which is 18. So a is equal to 18 minus 6. Then a is equal to 12. So the question does not ask us to find the first term and the common difference. The question requires to find the series. All right. So for an AP, we need first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and so on. But first term of an AP is A, second term is A plus D, third term is A plus 2D, fourth term is A plus 3D. Remember, the sequence continues infinitely. A is 12. A is 12 again. D is 3. A is 12. D is 3. We can even choose to stop here. The most important thing, we have written not less than 3 terms. So this is 12. This is 15. 12 plus 6. So 12, 15, 18. So we can see that 15 minus 12 is 3. Common difference 3. 18 minus 15, 3. Common difference 3. And the first term is 12. But this one is a sequence. What do we want? We need a series. The difference between a series and a sequence is by what? Inserting the plus sign. So for the series, we say 12 plus 15 plus 18 plus, it continues. You don't need to say 12 plus 15 is 27. 27 plus 18 is 45. You don't need to do anything. Just indicate the plus sign. This demonstrates a series. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for the YouTube channel. Bye-bye.